camera. Yes, it's a very big place. Exactly. That place you see now, you can see the hospital.
See for ourselves the extent of job that is done or ongoing in one of our sites. If you could remember, we were here some time ago, and we did, after inspecting this facility, we came up with the decision that this facility needs to be upgraded. You know this place as our old psychiatric hospital. We decided to build a modern psychiatric hospital, knowing fully well the problem that we have today in the society, mental illnesses. So the facility we are putting on ground here is a world-class standard that would take care of these challenges. We are doing two projects here. First is a psychiatric hospital. The second one is a general hospital. This general hospital is taking care of, in fact, I can say that in Obio, as a local government area, there is no general hospital. So we're building a standard general hospital for the Obio here. These are what we have come to see, and I can tell you I'm impressed with what is happening. It's not up to 1 month that this job was awarded, and you can see the extent of work that is going on. I am very, very optimistic that as part of our promise to our people, healthcare as one of the priority things, we're going to deliver this project in the next